Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use promo codes or redeem codes on the Octa trading platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Octa trading app on your device, and after logging in using your email address and your password, you will end up within the dashboard. From here, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, and now if you scroll underneath, you will see the promo code section. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on the Add Promo Code button. This will now give you the promo code box where you can enter any code that you wish to redeem. Just type in your promo code and then tap on the Activate button, and this will now check whether the code is legit. And once it passes this check, you will get your reward within your account right away. And you can use as many promo codes as you wish, as long as they are legit. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use promo codes on the Octa trading application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.